Today we'll talk about how can you enable remote uh, or hit remote on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to hit remote wallpaper here. So you just click in this sign, like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean here remote wallpaper, it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it on your app. So that's all you have to do, that's all. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.